So how you doing? I feel like running a Poulan 245A today. It is ported. We have no idea what kind of performance it's going to do, so we're going to find out. This is the one I've been trying to put the bow bar on, and it just hasn't worked out. So we're running a normal bar and chain setup, 28-inch bar, full house, semi-chisel. I didn't think to sharpen the chain. We'll just go with it for now and see how she goes. It looks like it should be all right. We'll see. But let's get on with it. Alrighty. So I forgot to sharpen chain. We're going to try it first, see what she does, and probably sharpen it up so we can get it before and after sharpening. Alrighty.
Are you ready for this?
So I was not happy with that chain, as you can tell. So we gave it a sharpen, and let's give it another go. Alrighty. Alrighty. She doesn't do too bad. I think she does all right, if you ask me. I'm thinking about going into it and seeing if I can turn it up a little bit more. Maybe I'll just go back into the videos and see. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like a couple more RPMs wouldn't hurt, you know? But she's got so much torque, it's very comfortable to cut, you know what I mean? It's very smooth and comfortable to cut. So it's right at that point, you know? I don't know. I'm probably going to run it a few more times until I make up my final decision. I do think I'm going to put or at least try to put another 245 together here to compare them. Then I think then I'll have a better idea. You know what I mean? Because right now, this is the only 245 I've ever ran. So I think I'd feel better having a stock one to compare it to. Just, you know what I mean. I'm not certain how much better it's doing over a stock one. You know what I mean? I have no idea. I just know it runs decent. It is a little finicky at idle, probably because we're free-porting just a smidge. I'll leave that up to Simple Man if he wants me to take care of that, but it is a little finicky at idle. It's just, you know, you can hear it in the way it idles. It's not perfect. So, alrighty. We'll call that it for today, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, later.